Hey YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about a PayPal scam that's going around. If you receive, a request for payment in PayPal, it can be a fraudulent. So basically, the way it works, it's a fake request for a fake payment request, and it says if you have any questions regarding this request, here's a number to call. Now, they say it's PayPal support, but it's actually a hacking group. So if you call that number, basically what they're going to do is they're going to want you to load a remote access program onto your computer. Then they're going to get in and deploy malware and steal all your information, blah, blah, blah. So bottom line here is that if you receive this type of scam, make sure, number one, don't call the phone number that's included with the payment notification. If you're serious, go to PayPal's website, look up the current number, dial that number, and then make a complaint. Say, hey, somebody's trying to issue fake payment claims. Maybe they can look into it and potentially block it. But whatever you do, do not call the number that's on the payment notification, because it's a group of hackers, and if they grant them access to your computer, game over, and you're going to be very sad. So anyway, just watch out for that type of scam. It can also, happen to Venmo or Zelle or any of the payment companies out there. So just be on the lookout for it. If you see a payment request that you don't recognize, probably the best thing to do is just delete it. I'm sure that if you'll be getting a call from the company if it really is legit, hey, we sent you that request and nothing happened, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, that's our tip of the day, tip of the week. Sorry. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink at the like button. It does help out the channel. Don't get scammed by these hacking PayPal, Zelle, Venmo scams. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.